I'm a fool for your love.
Hi everyone. If you have stumbled on my profile for the first time, hi, my name is Shivangi and I do videos related to post-fashion content, makeup, skincare on my channel. जितने बड़े चैनल देख रहे हैं उन सबको नमस्ते. If you do vibe with my content and if you like my videos, then I would request you to share it among your friends who hold the same interest. And yes, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do it. So today's video would be about the products that I bought during quarantine, and some of them I have emptied. I have ordered new ones. Some of them I will replace as per the mini reviews that I would give, and some of them are in current use. So it's been months I have invested on these products and their usage, and thus I know how they did with my skin, be it skincare or be it makeup. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. So the first product I'll be beginning is the Pond's Superlight Gel Moisturizer. Now this is a water-based moisturizer, so it doesn't feel on your skin or makes your skin oily beneath the makeup or as a normal moisturizer. It is a victory in both the situations. The main ingredients in it are hyaluronic acid, which alleviates the skin from within and thus improves the skin texture. And the second main ingredient in it is butyl glycol, which is responsible to provide conditioning to the cells of our skin and thus texture brightens from within. So yes, both these ingredients are a complete benefit package to us. Now the second product I'll be talking about, followed by a couple of products from the same company, would be the Biotique Dark Spot Corrector. Now if I talk of Biotique, it is an Ayurvedic company, so it will not have any side effects on your skin. Yes, if certain ingredient doesn't suit you, which is a part of the product, that's a different case altogether. Also, it involves no animal testing. The packaging of the product is such that you can reuse it. It is recyclable, so yes, it is beneficial for not only us, for the environment as well. Now moving on to the product that I emptied, the second one is the Dark Spot Corrector. Now the main ingredient in this is Yava, or in English which we call water apple. Water apple is responsible to enrich our skin with the benefit of vitamin A and vitamin C. And these vitamins together in combination are responsible to cure the oxidative stress of our skin. By oxidative stress, I mean the skin ailments which occur because of a bad lifestyle, a bad diet, because of pollution. So whatever marks you have on your face, I would say the light sort of marks, बहुत ही गहरा acne scar है, so it would not cure that honestly. But if you have slight blemishes on your skin, those lines on your skin, it is a complete yay for that matter. The second main ingredient in it is beeswax. Beeswax is a very popular ingredient known to fight acne. So yes, it's not only a corrector sort of thing, it will also fight acne for your skin. Now the third most important thing, this product is not available as a separate packaging. It's like available along with a facial kit that you get from Biotique, available in pouches. This silver facial kit from Biotique, which had like serum and other 5 pouches in that category, and along with it this product was available in that package. Now the third product that I emptied is a must have. Anybody who asks me this, you are any skin type, this is a must have. It's the Biotique Bio Cucumber Toner. Of course, being a toner, it will purify your skin, it tightens the pore as well, and since it has peppermint oil in it, it provides a coolness to your skin. So if you're someone who's suffering from acne or breakouts, Please include this in your routine in the morning and evening. Morning after your face wash, and also at night after your face wash. Now the next product I'm currently using, and it's been months I've been using this, is the Biotique Bio Seaweed Eye Gels. Honestly, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा intense dark circles हैं, nothing can cure it. Your lifestyle will. अगर there is frequent sort of weakness you feel in your eyes, or when you get up in the morning, your eyes don't feel alive, this gel is for that. And yes, it will cure certain amount of really light dark circles. There's a reason behind this. इसमें main ingredient होता है पुनर्नवा की जड़. And Punarnava, you must have heard from your grandmother, it's that plant which is specifically to cure the swelling of our eyes. जब भी आप इसको लगाएंगे, you'll feel a cooling sensation. It is because of it. It is fighting any sort of swelling or weakness. And Pehada fruit pulp is responsible to nourish the skin texture. So it provides the required nutrients to our eyes. Okay, so next I'll be talking of is two products, two face packs I bought from Biotique. The first one is the Biotique Anti-Blemish Bio-Clove face pack. Now this one contains Kikar Gond as the main ingredient, which is responsible to delay any fine lines, wrinkles, and thus is an anti-aging product. But how does it fight acne? It has gandhak, it has geru, and it has clove from the name itself. And all these three ingredients are the ingredients used to fight acne. So yes, when you apply this, it obviously doesn't smell good, which if you can tolerate, then buy it. If you have a sort of an allergy from the pungent smells, then it will be a no-no for you. But if you can tolerate that, and second thing, when you apply this, there would be a cooling sort of sensation, which may feel like a burning sensation, which is just for 5 seconds. But trust me, that's how the product works. It's not something which is not suiting your skin, which you may feel in the beginning. The second face pack I bought, which I used before also, was the Bio Fruit face pack. Now this is a magic face pack which cures tanning. Trust me, you will apply this, leave it for 20 minutes, let it dry, and it will show its result in the first use only. Now, the main thing about this face pack that I want to come across with is it causes burning. For about applying it to after 25 to 30 seconds, it will burn on your skin. The more is your tanning, the more it will burn on your skin. Why? It is pineapple juice. Pineapple juice contains keratin extract. Keratin extract minimalizes tanning and then improves the skin texture. So this face pack would first work on your tanning, then it would work on improving your skin texture. So yes, if it burns for the first time when you apply it and you really have a lot of tanning, do not worry. It is working on your skin, and that's a positive outcome. So this one, you're not buying anything, buy this. If you have tanning and if you have like pigmentation, do buy this for your skin, because this is a real graceful product for skin texture. Next I would be talking about is the Biotique Papaya Scrub. Now it is a grainy scrub. So if you, as mentioned in the previous video, which you can visit, I'll link it in the description box. If you have sensitive skin, do not go for grainy product. But this scrub contains grains which are very fine size. So yes, if your skin handles that, it will really work for you. Provided, please apply this on a damp skin, not on dry skin. Wet your face and then apply it in not a very huge amount, and you will instantly see that when you like massage the scrub on your face, the dirt comes off in the form of small black particles, and that's how it shows that it's cleaning your skin and it's detoxifying it. Now, moving on to products related to makeup, I bought this palette from LA Girl. When I talk of the shades, it is more bent towards pinks. It is more towards browns. It does not have those different variant colors, so I bought it as per my choice. But if I talk of the pigmentation of the palette, I would give it a 6 out of 10, because it is not as pigmented as I expected it to be, and but it really works well with a damp brush and with certain shades like purple, pink, and certain really transition glitter shades that the palette has given. You can definitely work around them. The second product that I tried was, for the first time I tried this, was the Maybelline foundation. Now, everybody was, this has been an evergreen hype foundation. Previously I was on a different company of foundation altogether, but this one has a real good coverage, does not feel heavy, and I would completely recommend it to you because it's really affordable and it really worked for me. If I talk of the concealer, I just have like one complaint for it, that you need patience. घुमाते रहो, twist करते रहो, तब वो बाहर आएगा. That's it. That is all my problem with it. Baki, it also has a good coverage. It's that sort of an eraser which you can use. It imparts good coverage, imparts good clearance, and it is really good. But it's just that I don't have that much patience कि मैं उसको घुमाती रहूँ और फिर वो बाहर आएगा. But if you don't mind that, it's a definite yay to your makeup collection. I hope you would have liked my mini reviews and this video. If you really liked it, do not forget to like. I would definitely like to know anything you felt while watching this video, or something you would like to watch in the comment section. And again, I would request you, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Share this video among with your friends who hold similar interests as this channel. And yes, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I'm most active there and I post almost frequently. So yes, I will meet you again in the next video. Till then, please stay safe while online shopping. Also, maintain all the safety standards, and yes, happy shopping. Stay safe. Take care.
Stars, I'm a fool for your love.